I wish I can put my camera on the motor so I can hear it better.